If WhatsApp audio stops playing when your iPhone screen turns off, then follow these steps to fix this problem. First of all you have to do is, if you are listening to a voice note, hold the phone close to your ear. WhatsApp plays audio through the earpiece and keeps the screen off properly. Do not press the lock or power button manually, just let it play naturally. Also, manually pressing the power button interrupts the playback. Let the voice message or audio finish playing before locking the screen. Once you have done all this, all you have to do is open the App Store for the iOS and Google Play Store for the Android. Once in there, simply tap on the search address bar and search for the WhatsApp app. Now, tap on it, and if you see the update icon available right next to it, update it to the latest version. Sometimes, an outdated version can cause the playback issues as well. Then, once done so, first restart WhatsApp and iPhone. Close WhatsApp from App Switcher, then restart your iPhone. Once you restart, wait for 10 to 15 seconds and open WhatsApp again and try playing the audio. And that will be. WhatsApp voice notes do not continue playing after screen off unless using the earpiece mode or with the screen on. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.